Hold on to your garlic gloves, folks. We are diving into a puzzle box straight from Dracula's crypt. Will we find treasure or unleash the undead? There is only one way to find out. We need to open the box. Let's see if we can find something that can move. Slightly, but not very much. Here. This part, if I push, but that's it. Nothing here. Let's see, on this side. This is moving. This side, nothing. And this side, oh, bottom is moving. Oh yes. Oh, and a little piece here fall off. Okay. And what do we have here? We have a keyhole. Donc we need to find the key. I know this was moving, but oh, to take out. Nothing else move. This is moving. This is moving here. Yes. No, we need that little part. This is moving, and we find the key. Okay. Now we can open the box and hope that nothing bad going to happen. Box open, and we have this part. Looks like a mirror, and behind the mirror we have another compartment. Two compartments, big one and this one. Well, I say it was not too bad. Was easy to solve. Okay, now we can close the box. This part. No. This one. It's locked. No. We're going to secure. Yes. We need to put back the key here. Oops. Okay. Key go here. This little piece like that. This like that. And finally the bottom. Puzzle box is solved and nothing bad happened. If you like a puzzle box, you can watch the video on the screen. Let's see now where I can find Dracula.